So when I signal like this is your wait period. So I will give you time to think of your answer. When I put my hand down, that is when you can respond to me when I ask for an answer to my question. So listen to the following statement. If he wins, he will get some money. Listen again. If he wins, he will get some money. And we'll listen one more time. If he wins, he will get some money. So say that sentence back to me now.
If he wins, he will get some money.
Good. So let's answer some questions. So, what happens if he wins?
He will get some money.
Good. Now, what does he have to do to get the money? So think about it. Say the sentence in your head again. Okay?
If he wins.
Yeah, good. Next question. How much money will he get?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's re-listen to the sentence. If he wins, he will get some money. So, listen one more time. If he wins, he will get some money. So now, let's look back at that question. How much money will he get? So think about it again. Okay?
He will get some money.
Good. And good. So that's the end of that exercise. So that was good. So now let's move on to another one. So listen to this. Here's a rule. Every person has a skull. So here's a rule. Every person has a skull. Okay? And I'll say it one more time. Here's a rule. Every person has a skull. So now here's my question. Everybody says that rule. That's not a question. I don't care if I get a point. So say this back to me. Everybody say that rule now. So say that rule to me. What was that rule I said?
Everybody has a skull.
Close. Listen to the statement one more time. Here's a rule. Every person has a skull. Let's listen one more time. Here's a rule. A person has a skull. So now repeat that back to me.
Here's a rule. Every person has a skull.
Good. So now listen to this. Every person has a skull. John is a person. So what else do I know about John? John has a skull. So, listen one more time. Every person has a skull. John is a person. So, what do we know about John? John has a skull. So now, what does John have? So think about it.
John has a skull.
Yes, good. So here's another one. Every person has a skull. Wilbur is a pig. So what else do I know about Wilbur? Nothing. Listen one more time. Every person has a skull. Wilbur is a pig. What do I know about Wilbur? Nothing. So now, listen to this and answer after I put my signal down. Every person has a skull. Wilbur is a pig. What do we know about Wilbur?
Nothing.
Good. Because of why?
Wilbur's a pig.
Good. So now listen. There's a new rule now. New rule. Every fish swims. Listen again. New rule. Every fish swims. Repeat that back to me.
Every fish swims.
Close. You're missing just a part, but listen again. New rule. Every fish swims. So listen one more time. New rule. Every fish swims. Repeat that back.
New rule. Every fish swims.
Good. Now listen. Every fish swims. Mary is not a fish. So what else do we know about Mary? So listen again. Every fish swims. Mary is not a fish. So what else do we know about Mary? So think about it.
Mary's not a fish.
Yes, but let's rethink about it again. Every fish swims. Mary is not a fish. So what else do we know about Mary?
Nothing.
Correct. Good. Now listen to this whole deduction. Every fish swims. A pike is a fish, so a pike swims. Listen again. Every fish swims. A pike is a fish. A pike swims. So listen one more time, and then I will signal for you to repeat. Every fish swims. A pike is a fish. So a pike swims.
Every fish swims. A pike is a fish. A pike swims.
Good. Yep. That's the end of it.